The Golden Bird and the King. Long, long ago, there lived a magic bird by the name of Sanuka in a thick forest. It laid golden eggs. Once a fowler came to the forest. While hunting, he came near the tree in which the magic bird lived. He saw the bird laying golden eggs. He caught the bird in his net and returned home. But he was afraid of keeping the bird in his captivity. He thought that the magic bird would lay him golden eggs. Soon he would be rich. The king might think that he became rich by stealing others' money. He might send him to jail. So it was better that he himself presented the magic bird to the king. Thinking thus, the fowler presented the magic bird to the king. The king was very happy to have such a magic bird. He ordered his servants to take care of the bird so that it laid more and more golden eggs. But the attendants said to the king, "Your Majesty, this is all a hoax. How can a bird lay golden eggs?" This created doubts in the mind of the king. He ordered his attendants to release the bird in the woods. The attendants, thereafter, released the bird in the woods. The bird flew in the sky and thought to itself, "This seems to be a fool's kingdom. Fowler knew that I laid golden eggs, but he gifted me to the king. The king, in turn, gave me to the attendants to release me in the woods." The attendants too didn't ever believe in my magical qualities and spoke to the king against me. And the biggest fool of them was I, who landed into the fowler's net. Moral: take a decision after verifying the facts.